Hello, Harmony Zone welcomes you gently, here and now. Here you are seen, heard, and safe. Take a moment to settle in comfortably. Let us return to calm after a difficult interaction. Take one slow breath. Feel your body supported by the surface beneath you. Simply listen and relax. Relationships can sometimes be challenging and emotionally overwhelming. And yet, you can always return to your center and to your inner sense of safety. Breathe gently. Return to your body, here and now. Welcome yourself with gentleness, with compassion. What just happened does not define your worth. Allow your emotions to have a voice. Take one slow breath. What are you feeling? Welcome yourself without judgment. Living through difficult moments can be painful. The need to feel supported is natural. The need to feel safe is natural. Take another slow breath. And welcome yourself. Softly repeat within yourself, I return to myself. I can settle within myself. I reconnect with my inner balance, here and now. I am safe. I release what has disturbed me. This interaction does not define who I am. Take another slow breath. Feel your shoulders soften. Imagine a gentle breath soothing your heart. You can return to your calm at any time, any moment. Each breath brings you back to your center. Once again, breathe. I choose myself. I am safe. I remain centered within myself. And when you feel ready, gently begin to return. Move your hands and feet softly. Stretch gently if it feels good. Smile softly as you welcome yourself with compassion. Thank you for taking this moment for yourself. And remember, here in Harmony Zone, you can always return to calm after a difficult interaction. With gentleness and with love.